Say hi to Jody. Say hi, Jody. Let's pause our show. Sorry. Say, I miss you. Well, even though I never met you. Oh. Oh, don't. Oh. Okay. Oh. Can you say hi to Jody and give her a smile? I'm going to change this outfit anyway. Okay. Can you do a smile for Aunt Jody? Can you do a smile? Hey. Yeah. Those are your hands. Those are your hands. You're waving to her. You're waving. But can you smile? Huh? Can you smile? Huh? Can you smile? Can you do a smile for Jody? Oh, stretch it. Oh, yeah. Let's lay you down. Let's see if that helps. Whoa. There's Tyler. Can you smile? Huh? Oh, yeah. Say, hi, Jody. I miss you. I know I like you, so I know I miss you. Can you smile? Huh? Can you do a smile? Can you do a smile? Huh? Huh? Ooh. Can you do a smile? A big one. Do a big smile. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. Say bye. See you soon. Bye. Don't spit up on my new sheets. Say bye. Okay, let's not spit up. One more smile.